Now first of all, we'll be taking out the old blade from the machine. So just use a screwdriver and loosen this one from here. As you can see, it's out. Now I'm going to take out the up blade, the one from the up. We'll be losing it from this side. So in order to take out the upper blade, just loosen this screw right here, just bring it out. See, I just adjusted the screw a little and it came out. Now this is the new blade I want to fix. Now watch as I fix it. Watch properly. Watch closely as I fixing the new upper blade. So just push it down to this height. Mark the height that I pushed it in. Then you tighten the screw back. Now watch closely as I'm going to fix in the new down blade. This is the new one now. Now watch as I positioned it. You position it this way. Now just carefully slide it inside this holder. Now this thing that holds the blade, just slide it inside there carefully. Then you move it high. Make sure the blade is at the height of the plate of the machine, the weaving plate. Let it not be above it, let it not be below. You understand? This under blade now, the height should be together with the plate of the weaving. I'm sure you understand what I'm saying. Let it be the height of the plates. Let two of them just be the same height. Then you tighten it. You tighten this screw right here. Use a bigger screwdriver to lock it up very tight so it won't adjust by itself. Now next step is you take the upper blade closer to the down blade. You lose this nut right here. Now this one, as you lose it, you drag the blade out, then you tighten it. Now the blade now will be lapping the downside as it's moving up and down. Two of them will be together. I'm going to bring down the upper blade a little bit more. So I just adjusted the screw and I brought it down a little. I'm tightening it now. But it shouldn't go inside too much. It should just be nearing the down blade just a little bit. The upper blade goes in and out, but as you can see, it doesn't go in too deep. So it just goes in to the down blade, then it comes out. That's how it should be. Now I'll be testing out with the fabric and see if it will trim it. As you can see, it's trimming it. It's trimming the fabric right now. Alright, that's good. So now I'm going to properly tighten every screw that I made an adjustment to it. I'm going to lock them up now. Then I'm going to try it again properly. As you can see, it just did a neat job. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also leave your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.